Hello and welcome to this episode of Creating with Howcraft. My name is Denise Yezbak Moore with howcraftcollection.com. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create my calliope earrings. The tools and supplies you will need to create these earrings are round nose pliers, wire cutters, chain nose pliers, watermelon coated quartz stone nuggets, an ear wire, and 26 gauge wire. A complete list of the jewelry making supplies and beads along with printable PDF instructions can be found on howcraftcollection.com. Search Calliope earrings. We are going to start off by cutting a 20-inch length of 26 gauge wire. We're going to pick up one of our watermelon coated quartz nuggets. And we are going to string that to the center of the wire. And I'm just pressing it together with my fingers, and then I'm going to make a little bend. Now we're going to string our other two nuggets onto the wire. And we are going to string those nuggets down so they're butted right up against the other nugget. So our nuggets have been strung down and they're right up against the previous nugget. We are now going to form a wrapped loop. Using our round nose pliers, we're going to bend the wire back, move the pliers up, bend the wire towards you, move the pliers to the side, bend the wire back, and I'm just lining it up. And we are going to wrap 1, 2, 3. Now we're going to grab these wires and we are going to bring them down, coming through, and we want to make sure we pull that nice and tight, coming back around, coming down, and we're pulling that nice and tight, and we're going to wrap it around that little nugget at the bottom once to give it some stability. And then we're going to bring those wires up, and we're going to come around and we're wrapping it, and it's nice and tight. And then we're going to bring it up and we're going to wrap 1, 2 to the back side. Now we're going to turn it around and we're just going to trim off those little ends. We're going to grab our chain nose pliers and we're gently tapping those wires down so there are no sharp edges. And I'm just going to twist my loop to the front so we can connect our ear wire. I just picked up my ear wire. This is how you open and close an ear wire. So we're just going to open it and we're going to attach and close our ear wire. And there you have it, how to create my calliope earrings. If you are watching on YouTube, please like and subscribe at Howcraft USA. Follow us on Instagram at Howcraft Collection Beads. Be sure to visit howcraftcollection.com for more inspirational DIY projects and for all your jewelry making needs. New beads are added weekly, and each week howcraftcollection.com features an amazing new sale. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time.